to my channel. My name is Glory and this is my first video. You get the point. This is my first video. This is my introductory video. Welcome to my channel full time. No dull moments. We are just starting this channel together. We are growing together. You get the point, you get the vibe, you get the gist. My name is Peter Glory Chinazebere, but my name on this YouTube world is Omalicha Adibo. I'm from Enugu State, Babe, but I based in Anambra State. I'm a graduate from Alex Ekweme Federal University in Dufalike, Igbo, where I studied linguistic Igbo. In this channel, we'll be talking about everything concerning Igbo language, Igbo life, Igbo culture, Igbo belief, just everything you have to know about Igbo language. Then my lifestyle, Igbo life and cultures, their food, their ancient days, the belief, everything you need to know about Igbo life and culture. Thirdly, in this channel, I am sorry, this is where the limitation comes in. I am sorry, it's gonna be a purely Igbo speaking channel. No English. Even without being Igbo, you can enjoy the channel, their food. You guys meet their food, their ancient food. I'll give you guys the best and the best.
So please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe.
Bye bye.